Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome, join the enthusiasm, subscribe. It's December, it's Christmas time, it's holiday time. So today I've created this holiday makeup look with soft green eyes, which I never aimed, but I ended up with this and you will come to know about that in the video. And with red lips, obviously, like this is a very classic holiday look. And also the look is very easy and also dry skin friendly. It's a winter friendly look. I also had some new makeup, so I also tested all of them in this video. So I will also do like short first impressions on some of the products. So without further chatting, let's head right into the video. Alright, so the hair is at the back, and please excuse me for the baby hairs. Here, everywhere. They're just everywhere. And also I do sound a little different and a little low today because I got a throat infection. But yes, we're gonna proceed. And first I'm going to moisturize, and for that I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. I'm just going to take my MAC Fix Plus, and we're not going to spray it all over the face because it makes everything very messy. I've changed that technique and now I just spray it on the blender and then dab it. In this way I can also control the product. So that is done now. My skin feels nice and hydrated and fresh. So next let's move ahead to the foundation, and this is like a new product for me. I've just swatched it on my hand. This is the Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation, and this one is in the shade 312 Golden. I am expecting this to be a little bit on the matte side, like on the drying side, and also because I don't have like many pores that I have to like blur out. Next I'm going to use this foundation, and this is full coverage, which makes me feel very happy. And also you guys, this has got a pump. Now I don't like the Fit Me foundation because it has not got a pump, and there are some other reasons too, but one of the major reason was that it was not having a pump. It has like a very L'Oreal Infallible kind of a smell. I don't know, let's do it. But the shade looks really good. Like this is full coverage. It's not drying me out at all right now. This foundation looks really good. So next I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. I've not used this concealer for so many days. So now let's resurrect this today, and now let's use this today. Now let's do a little highlight thing too. So now let's bake, and today I'm going to use the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. Now for my eyes, I have the NYX Perfect Filter Palette, and this one is in the shade Olive You. First of all, I'm just taking this shade over here and I'm applying it all over my eyes. So I'm just taking the same shade and I am going to build it up on my crease because I don't think we can use any other shade as a transition. Now let's try this olive shade. Next I'm going to take this shade. So next I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply it on the center of my eyelid to give it a little bit of halo effect. Frankly speaking, this is like not a good palette at all. Like these shades are not pigmented, like even after rubbing it's not coming out. Like I don't know what's the problem. Ditch everything and now let's wet a brush. It better work now or I'm just screwed. Alright, wow. It's just taking away what I have over there. Like really, is this a NYX product? I don't believe, because this is like bad. Next I'm just going to take this yellow shade over here, put this on the inner corner. This is the first product from NYX that has disappointed me. And I was not expecting this, to be honest. I was expecting it to be a good palette because rupees 1500 is not less for 10 shades. Now next I'm going to do this eye. And obviously I'm gonna clean the bake and then we'll do the lower lash line. Alright, so the bake is removed and now I'm going to do the lower lash line, and for that I am taking this shade again. Next, let's take that olive shade again. So now I'm just going to do a very thin eyeliner and then I'm going to pop on some false eyelashes and then I'll be back. I bought this Milani Baked bronzer, but this is not that dark for my skin. So, but this is a good bronzer. So today I will be using two bronzers. Obviously a matte bronzer to create a shadow, and then I will be topping it off with this one. Because you know this has got like shimmers too, so I cannot just use it directly to contour. So for contouring I am going to use this one. Next I'm going to take this one. For blush I'm going to use the Milani Baked blush, and this one is in the shade 09 Red Vino. That is a lot for one swipe. That blush is super pigmented, so you have to work really carefully with that. Next I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Skin Kiss highlighter. So for the next and the last step, we are going to do the classic holiday lip. And today I'm using the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick. This is the mini one and this one is in the shade Redrum. Alright, so let's quickly summarize what I feel about all the products. So number one, we have the NYX Perfect Filter eyeshadow palette, I don't think I need to say anything else about this. I mean, I don't like this palette. I love NYX, I love their brand, but I don't like their palette, like this particular palette. Now I also use this Coty Airspun loose face powder for the first time, and this one is in the shade Suntan. But let me tell you one thing, I like the Fit Me powder more than this one. I like this powder, it's very good, it's not drying at all, but obviously I don't know why I like the Fit Me, and I'm just kind of stuck over there. Like, I just love the Fit Me powder. Now next, the Milani bronzer. It's such a good bronzer, I just love it. Now next, the Milani blush. It's very pigmented, so you better work very carefully with this. And now last but not the least, we have the hero of this video, that is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I don't know about Superstay because I have applied this for the first time, but the texture of the foundation is really good, the finish is really good, and it's not settling in the fine lines, so that's also a plus point. Hope you all enjoy your holidays, and yes, so that's it for the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you think the video was helpful, like if you find this makeup look helpful, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video.